Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Financial Peanuts. And in this video series, which is the third part of the video series of the Warren Buffett Stock Selection Strategies Part 3, in this video, we are finally going to talk about how does Buffett finalize his stock on his wish list with the help of a very simple and quick analytical tool or a formula that he uses. So the first step into uh, calculating the secret tool that he uses is of course the P ratio, which gives you the stock, which helps you, which tells you about the stock returns over the long term. So as you can see in this chart, and as we had already spoken about this in the second video of our video series, that the P ratio, that more the P ratio, the lesser the returns. So for a P ratio of 25, you have a return of 4%. For 20, you have 5, 15, 6.6, 10, 10. And for a P ratio of 5, you have 20%. So as far as the P ratio is actually concerned, Buffett would like to own stocks with a P ratio of 15 or less. Coming to step 2 in calculating the secret analytical formula, we have to consider the margin of safety. So the margin of safety, as you all know, and as we've spoken about it in the first video of our video series, is that it's the inverse of the price to book value. So for a price to book value of 5, you have a margin of safety of 20%, which is not very good. But if you go lower down the table from 1.5 to 0.7, you have a reasonably good margin of safety. So if you choose a stock with a price to book value of 1.5, you get a margin of safety of 67%. If it's 1, you get 100%, which is also good, and for 0.7 or lesser than 1 is really good. And finally, the calculating the secret formula, we use both these parameters which we've just discussed in video 1 and video 2. So this is what a long-term investor would want his stock to have, or his company to have, which would in the end lead to wealth creation. So you would want to include both of these, which is the P ratio, which gives you the returns on the stock, and the PB ratio, which is the margin of safety, or which gives you the safety as far as the stock is concerned. So in this case, what he does is that he chooses the P ratio less than 15 and a price to book ratio less than 1.5. So now what Buffett thought is that why don't we combine both of these? Actually, it was not Buffett, it was his guru, Benjamin Graham, who multiplied both these ratios, and he came up with something called as the P into PB ratio. And what this tells you is that you need to look at those companies which have a PE into PB ratio of less than 22.5. Now, these companies give you of a reasonably good margin of safety as well as a reasonably good return over the long term. So this is what Buffett says that I consider such companies worth paying attention to. So the take-home peanut in this video would be that the formula in question takes into account both the desired attributes of a stock or the company that a long-term investor wishes to own, and the formula is a quick tool to help you formulate a list of companies that you can keep on your wish list, and these can be bought in accordance with other desired qualities. Now mind you, this is not a tool, this is not a single a tool by which you can actually choose stocks for the long term. You need to look into other factors. For example, you need to look into other factors, which is the competitiveness or the moat of the company as far as the sector is also concerned. and you need to know how would whether this company would last after 10 years or 15 years, or would stand good for a very long period of say 30 years even. So with this we would end this video series, and I hope that you like the the three videos that we posted, and that this tool would help you in finding great companies which would help you compound your wealth over the long term. Thank you for watching.